good day everyone, wherever you're watching this video from across the nations of the world. This is Samuel again, and then you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's actually been long. I dropped a video, it's up to a week now since I dropped my last video. Okay, so I'm back, guys. So I'm gonna drop a video on the 2 trades I took yesterday. I actually caught 3 trades on my Telegram channel. One hit stop loss, and the 2 got TP yesterday. So I'm gonna be giving you a breakdown of those 2 trades within the space of 10 minutes. This video will be more than 10 minutes. Alright, a quick one. If I'm running a mentorship program currently for just 3 sets of people, if you wanna be a part of it, just do what to message me through the Telegram link that will be dropping behind, or after this video you can just check the description channel, you will see the link there. Alright, before we move to the the breakdown, let me just show us that it was called on my Telegram channel yesterday. This is my Telegram channel, Prevail FX Signals, so you can always check it out. Okay, yeah, this is gold trade I just called this morning. I'm waiting for gold to sell. Alright, so yesterday was 29th, so I called these 3 trades. Okay, this is it. First is AUDUSD, that's the first trade. Second one is NZDCAD, that's second trade. Third one is USDCAD. These are the 3 trades I called yesterday. Alright, so we attacked for the 3 trades. These are the results. This was the first result I posted, but then this particular trade reversed. So alright, but then this was the final execution. You can see it. This was for NZDCAD, dropped massively. And AUD USD, alright, you can also see this also dropped massively. Alright, so those were the result of the trades I posted yesterday. And okay, gold, I didn't call the gold yesterday on my Telegram channel, but I was anticipating to sell gold from here, but price did not tag me and price just sold, so that's out of it. So yesterday I called 3 trades, a total of 6 RR already wins and 1 RR missed, so we had a total of 5 R. Now imagine this were the only trades you took this month on a 100,000 profit account, and you risked 1%. That's, you made 5% of that account. That's $5,000. You didn't have to trade again. Alright, so okay, this morning I just called 2 trades also. I called AUDUSD and gold. If it plays out, or when it plays out, when it plays out, I'm gonna do a recorded video of it for you guys. Okay, this is the gold trade currently. So let's quickly check AUD and NZDCAD, the trades of yesterday. Alright, for those who are just joining me, I trade the structured liquidity key level strategy as taught by Fortman. Alright, so that's what I trade. Alright, so when I was looking for this analysis, I started this at the weekly time frame, and I saw this breakout to the downside. And based on my liquidity concept, I knew that my liquidity candle was this green candle. If you want to learn about this, is just do what to join the current mentorship program going on. It's just for 3 people only. 3 people only. I hope you. One slot has been taken already. I've shown you on my Telegram channel. I have 2 more slots going out, and it's just for 50,000 naira or $40. It depends on where you're joining from. If you are from Nigeria, 50,000 naira. If you are from outside the country, $40. Okay. Alright, so I had this as my liquidity, so I was expecting price to react at this particular breakout key level zone, but obviously price reacted there, but on the daily time frame really give me what I wanted. So you can see I was expecting a rejection and a candle closure at this zone, but rather price goes above this, use the key level as a continuation for the buys. So as at yesterday, I noticed price tapped into this. This is a confirmation entry. There's no time to be explained of this. I noticed price tapped here. So at the time price tapped into that zone, this is one of my thought processes. So this previous daily high was swept, so I call it daily rejecting daily. So when this high was swept, all I needed to do was to go to the 4 hours time frame and waited for a rejection on the 4 hour time frame, and this was the rejection here. So I got this rejection on the 4 hours time frame, and then I went to the lower time frame to find my entry. That's either the 2 hours. Yeah, I think I saw the confirmation on the 2 hours time frame. I think it was on 3 hours time frame. Let me check. Alright, 2 hours and 3 hours. No, either of the two. This is a confirmation entry type. This is a confirmation entry. There's no time to explain all this thing in this video. I'm just trying to give you a breakdown of the trade, that's why. This is a confirmation entry. And then I place my entry here, place my stop loss around this zone. That was how this price dropped massively, more than 1 ratio. You can see this is 1:4.92. So this was the first trade. This was how the first trade was executed yesterday, and currently the trade I called today is basically here at this level. I missed this first entry though because I came to the chart late, so I'm waiting for a re-entry at this particular zone, but price did not come to tap me in, so it depends. Let's see if price can still reverse and tag me in. That's the trade I just called on my Telegram channel this morning. Alright, so this is how I caught the AUDUSD trade yesterday. Alright, that's first one. Let's go to NZDCAD. NZDCAD trade really manipulated me yesterday. If not for patience, I would have left that trade. My God, let me just clear this. Alright, so yesterday's candle is this candle. Now, why am I selling NZDCAD? The same stuff I explained to you on UAD. You had a breakdown to the downside there, and my liquidity here. Now, liquidity here is different from the first one. You have to learn this liquidity concept, please. So don't just be choosing any candle as your liquidity. So I knew this green candle, the previous week candle, was my liquidity. So I was waiting for price to sweep it, and after price sweeps it on the weekly time frame, I'm going to wait for daily rejected daily. Obviously, I got it here. I saw daily rejected daily here, and plus day before yesterday's candle closed like this. So on 4 hours, I needed to see a breakout to the downside. This is yesterday's candle, so we are going to monitor it. I needed to see a breakout to the downside on 4 hours. So I got the breakout to the downside here. You can see this breakout to the downside. And we had this liquidity, this red candle's liquidity. So I was expecting price to come and sweep it. So price swept this candle as liquidity and rejected. This was the rejection. So after I say rejection like this is daily rejecting daily. 4 hours rejected 4 hours. Then you go to 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes, or 2 hours to go find confirmation entry or breakout to the downside. So let me mark out this particular candle, so when we go to the other, we'll be able to see it. So on 2 hours time frame, what are we seeing? On 2 hours time frame, I think I saw this trade. I got this. Yeah, on 3 hours time frame, I saw this confirmation entry and breakout. This confirmation entry, this particular one, and it's also a breakout on 1 hour time frame. Now, because if you've been watching my previous videos, I've always told you guys to use breakout levels, and there's nothing wrong with that. So on 1 hour time frame, there was a breakout here to the downside. Now the liquidity for this is this particular red candle, but this is not what I played yesterday. I just played using confirmation entry, so it's easier to now set your entry here and put your stop loss above this a little, and that's what made it. This is around 1:4, but for yesterday I just played my entry directly from the 3 hours time frame. From this confirmation entry on 3 hours, this was what I played directly. This entry, just played this entry directly, and that's how I got 1:3.41. But I played that entry I showed you on 1 hour, which is very correct. I didn't just want to wait yesterday. I didn't want to wait for this 1 hour to form, and besides, I was very certain of that confirmation I was in on on 3 hours time frame, because it aligns with other time frames. So I just took it directly from there. Obviously, I knew that my point of invalidation is this zone. So if price takes out this zone,